Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add company information to the Invoice Maker and the PDFGenerator application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, you should tap on the settings button down below and click on company information. Then you should add your company's name. Then set the company logo. Here you can select an image either from your gallery. Then you can add the address. And if you are done with adding all of these details, you should just simply tap on the back button to save all this information. Everything will be updated automatically. If you want to edit it, you can do so anytime by coming back to this section and tapping on the relevant things that you would like to change. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.